What are you doing there, Eustace? Here we have 50 milliliters of diesel fuel. We're going to put on the charcoal and light it to show you at room temperature how diesel fuel will light. Alright, she's going to light the fuel. Alright, the fuel's lit. It's burning. This 50 milliliters. Notice that it was a slow start. Not a lot of explosive activity. Okay, we're going to let that burn, and then we'll come back and we'll add another 50 milliliters with it heated up. Now we're going to show a hot surface heating the fuel up and how better combustion it is with the additional heat as a catalyst. Alright, that's the same amount of fuel, 50 milliliters on a hot surface. That's a little more combustion than ambient air temperature of the fuel from the first shot.